Question 5. I'm not going to read this entire equation here, but we're just taking the derivative at a point. And so this is implicit differentiation. We're just going to take all the derivatives and then plug in that point. So e to the x derivative is e to the x minus y. So that's just going to be a dy dx. We've got our equals and a little product there. So derivative of the first is just 1 times the second, plus derivative of the second times the first, so I'll go x, and then derivative of second there is going to be 3y squared dy dx. And then e squared, that's just a constant, so that's actually just a 0. And then we've got another 0 right there, so why even bother putting them in? I don't know. Okay, so let's now solve for dy dx. So I'm going to add this to the other side, subtract that. So we're going to end up with ex minus y cubed equals, let's see, I'm going to move the 3 out front. So I got 3xy squared. And then I'll add this over. So that's a plus 1. All of that, we'll factor out that dy dx. And ignore the zeros, divide this over. And what we have is that dy dx is equal to e to the x minus y cubed over this whole thing 3xy squared plus 1. And now we can substitute this. We can evaluate it at the point 0, 0. And so that's going to be e to the 0 minus 0 cubed over 3 times 0 times 0. I'll substitute them even though we know that's just going to end up being 0 anyway. And let's see. Wait a second. Why did I put a zeros? It's a 2, 2. I think I was like mentally thinking zeros right there. So everywhere there's a 0, we're going to put a 2 in for both the x's and the y's. I'm just having one of those days. I forgot my squared. Okay, but I caught myself, so we're good to go. E squared minus 8. And then 2 squared is 4 times another 2 is an 8 times a 3 is 24 plus the 1. There we go. It's 25. And e squared minus 8 over 25. That looks like choice C. Okay.